Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn how to create a custom button in Magento 2 customer dashboard. Okay, so how, because some of the requirements, like I want to add a button to remove all the cart, I want to add a logout button over here, I want to add any button over here. So we want to perform some of the actions. So we are going to create a button in the customer account dashboard. Here we are going to add. Okay, in the previous I have just used some of the classes to like customize this, but now we are going to add a button and perform the logout action over here. So let's see. But you can perform any action over here. You need to just pass the controller and hit that action, right? But now we are just I'm not creating a controller over here, but I need just a button and do the action over here. Okay, so let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like and motivate me, so by adding a comment and liking the video. Okay, and sharing your thoughts. Okay, so let's get started. So here we go with this one. So how to add a custom button to my account page. First of all, we are going to create index.php in the vendor module block customer account. Okay, so let's go to the customer account over here. So here we have with the block. Then we are going to create a new folder, customer account. Then we are going to create a new folder, that is file, sorry, touch index.php, php, right? So I have created this one. Let's open it and add the code that we have added, that we have. Okay, so let me close all these tabs. So here we go with this one. So we need to add this one. It is if you want it, then it is required, else because I have added this block part, so you can do the rest of the customization over here, right? So basically I'm using the object manager in the html file, which is not acceptable. But for now I have added you can manipulate this in the block also, right? So here we go with index.php. Okay, so here we go, we need to change our module. And what is technical custom wish list? Custom wish list. Its name is correct. Yes, it's correct. Okay. So this is the block part. You can do whatever in this block part, right? So moving to the next part, that we have to create a default.xml. I think default.xml in the layout file is already there. Let me check. View front end temp layout default.xml is already there. Okay, so we have this one block and all that part. Okay, this is the reference container. Then this is, we have added the mini cart part. Okay, so let's add customize it again. So here we go with this one. So we need to add this one body reference block. We need to add account navigation. So in the default.xml, this is reference container, this is reference block that I'm going to add. With the module name here, we need to add the technical custom wish list. And here we have this one, technical custom wish list over here. This is the block that I am using. So here we go with this one, customer account logout html. Okay, so let's create the logout.html file. For that, so in the templates file, go to the custom wish list, view front end templates, open the terminal, and let's add the touch logout.html file. So where we adding the logout button. So here we go with this one file. Let's copy this one. Let's paste this one. Okay, so let's see if the logout button is here or not. Let's compile the code and check. So let's do the compile setup. Di compile. Let's do the upgrade. Okay, so this all part is done. Let's have a look of that one. Is there any pattern is invalid block type, technical custom wish list, customer account index class, technical custom wish list, customer account index does not exist. Okay, so here we go with which one, block customer account, and what is it, customer account, technical custom wish list, customer account, then we have an index. What exactly it wants to show me? Let me check this one. Invalid block type is invalid. Okay, technical custom wish list, block customer account, block customer account, whole block customer account. Then we have index. Let's see what exactly it wants to show me. So here we have the default.xml. Mm, technical, maybe there is an issue in that one. Technical custom wish list, block customer account, then we have an index. Index is small, and let me rename it to index I. Okay, let's see. Okay, and you can see that there is a logout button over here. It is added. Header account link list, what we have added over here. Hold on, I think header account list is basically the previous one that I have added. Hold on, and you can see that the full account is already there. Let me check this part where we go with this one, why it's added over here. It's custom wish list. um, it's in the this part, right? Okay, block part is there, customer account index. Okay, then we have go with the view, front end, layout, default.xml. So it is customer account navigation part, and here you can see that the I have already added the logout button with the help of the uh, customer account link. Okay, so that's the reason that it's come up and it's there. So two times, it's whether you want to go with that part, whether you want to go with this part. Okay, so it's up to you, right? So here we have this part logout, and we have the customer account link list. Okay, so here I can modify it accordingly. Okay, background red, padding 12 pixels, and here we don't going to add this one background. We will add this as a background anchor tag. Background red, adding 12 pixels, color hash fff, and you can say that padding we needs to increase, or we can increase the padding of like 12 pixels here, 12 pixels, 12 pixels. This is, I guess, bottom. This is left right button, so you need to add this one here also. So you can see that the same 58 you can increase and decrease accordingly. Okay, so you can see that I have added the custom logout button. You can add the font size 12 pixels, or you can make it a bigger button. So you can see that font weight bold, font weight bold. Okay, so you can see that I have added a custom button, so you can add the custom button like this. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, when I click on that one, you can see that there is a customer account logout link is also there. So I have added the custom button in that part. So any query, any doubt, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.